When taking out a mortgage as a couple, two of you applying or two of you going to be in the home, there's some serious considerations that you need to make sure that you're left with the home and that you can keep the lifestyle that you want to have and that you're accustomed to. And those key areas are making sure that first of all, you can continue to pay the mortgage payment on a monthly basis and also the household bills, and that you are not gonna potentially lose the home or get a bad credit score because you've missed payments or not been able to keep up with the bills and all your living expenses. And you can do that. The thing that you need to ask yourself is, how am I going to pay my mortgage and maintain my lifestyle if I were to have an accident or if I were off sick? And what about if it was something more serious, like a critical illness, something like cancer, heart attack, stroke, disability? You know, if that was something more serious, that can not only keep you off work for a very, very long time, but it could impact your life so much that you may not even be able to return to work. So you need to make sure that you are left with a home and not the debt, and that debt is fully repaid. Would you rather have the home or would you rather have the debt repaid? And the final thing you need to think about as a couple is what happens if one of you, and it's similar to critical illness in fact, what happens if one of you does die tomorrow? How are you going to be able to keep up the mortgage payments? You've gotten the mortgage potentially on two incomes. Take that income out of the equation. How are you going to pay the mortgage payment? How are you going to pay the bills? And do you want the surviving spouse or partner to be left with the home or with the debt? I know what I want to leave my wife with, and that's to leave her with the home. And no stress that she's got to pay the bills, that she's got to pay the mortgage payment, and that she can almost become accustomed to the life that she has been used to. So if you need assistance as a couple, making sure that you've got the right protection in place for the unexpected, then please do get in contact with Active Mortgage and we'll be more than happy to assist and walk you through the options that are available to you as a couple to make sure that that home that you've worked so hard to get stays yours. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.